Today, let's talk about migrating SQL pipelines and reports to Microsoft Fabric with Kanerika's Flip platform. Organizations using SQL Server services like SSIS, SSAS, and SSRS struggle to meet modern business needs. Microsoft Fabric puts data integration, analytics, and reporting in one platform. But manual migration takes weeks or months. Errors happen during conversion, and cost and risk pile up fast. Kanerika's proprietary Flip Accelerator automates the process. It converts SQL Server components into Fabric without manual coding. Moreover, the accelerator supports migration of all three workloads together or individual components based on the requirement. The migration starts by exporting SSIS packages, SSAS models, and SSRS reports into standard files. They get packaged together and uploaded into Flip. The target Fabric workspace gets selected as the destination. Once submitted, the platform analyzes each component and starts converting. Processing finishes in minutes. SSIS packages become Fabric data pipelines. SSAS models turn into Fabric semantic models. SSRS reports convert into Power BI reports in Fabric. Everything appears in the respective workspace, ready to use. The whole process takes a fraction of the time manual migration would need. No specialized coding. Moreover, all business logic stays intact. Here's what we covered in this video. Moving from legacy SQL services to Microsoft Fabric unlocks access to modern analytics without the bottlenecks and risks of manual migration. Kanerika's proprietary accelerator, powered by Flip, automates everything from exporting SQL components to deploying working Fabric pipelines. Moreover, the live migration converted SSIS, SSS, and SSRS into Fabric-ready components in minutes. What are you waiting for? Automate your move from SQL services to Microsoft Fabric with Kanerika's Migration Accelerator. Contact us at www.kanerika.com/meet.